One more example to show you how to deal with case insensitivity, or particularly when they are mix of upper and lowercase characters. This is part 5 of this video series. I hope that you have watched the other ones, and if that, you know where this cheat sheet comes from. So let's grab that log in there, and we're going to grab the authentication package. So we put it in here in our Regex 101 site, and this is what we want to grab, right? Whatever comes in here. And so if we do it the standard way, we'll put here authentication package. We could do even copy paste from there. Authentication package. If I don't type it right, it's not gonna find it. Authentication package, and there is a column there. There is a white space. Say that if they can be more than one, we can put the one or more meta character, the plus. And now we want to grab everything that comes after that. So we put a parenthesis for a capture group, and we're going to put here everything that is not a white space. So we put backslash uppercase S, and that will give us only the first one, but there's going to be one or more. Again, we use the plus meta character, and that gets us the capture group that we want. This is nothing different from the previous videos, but what is going to be different is, well, what if you don't know for sure whether this is going to be all authentication package. For example, if I make this in lowercase, our stuff doesn't work because it's making a match. Well, for that, there is a simple construct that if you put in here question mark I for insensitivity, now it grabs it regardless of whether stuff is upper and lowercase. Again, very short video, but I think this is very important for you to deal with cases like that.